So what's up everyone, ShaneTechWorld here, welcome back to another video. If you first time come to my channel, start now by clicking the subscribe button and press the notification bell. Okay guys, today's video is gonna be very interesting. So today we're gonna see, okay, first of all, if you buy a new mobile, okay, first of all I ask you guys a question. If you guys buy a new mobile, when you open the mobile box, you only got the mobile, no charger, no earpods, no no charging cable. How is it? Terrible, right? So it's happening now. Okay, it's happening now. So we get a news from Apple. iPhone 12 will be released without charging adapter, charging cable and earpods. Is it true? And what's happened if Apple release like this? If Apple release like this, Apple status will be down. Or what happened to the next generation? No charger, no earpods. How? So in this video we gonna see that. So camera. You guys, so it's here the news also terrible because I get a news from Apple, not from Apple, not I search on the Google about Apple. I get a terrible news that says iPhone 12 will become without charger and earpods and lightning cable. Okay, so it's terrible. For me it's easy because now also I use the iPhone SE2. Okay, iPhone SE2. Now I'm using iPhone, so if I buy next iPhone, I no need the charger and earpods because I already have. People who change from Android, so for example use Samsung S10, change to iPhone 11 Pro Max, it's very terrible. No charger, earpods also can use Samsung one, but no Apple cable, so we can buy extra purchase. So let's see that. Apple's iPhone 12 may not come with a power adapter or earpods. According to the one, this news is according to the one of the most Apple analyze this. Apple's iPhone 12 may not come with a power adapter, charger, cable and earpods. Apple may omit these accessories to keep the cost of iPhone 12 be its first 5G mobile in Malaysia. First 5G mobiles in world enabled smartphone around the same price of iPhone 11 Pro Max. Around the same price iPhone 11 lineup. KUO predicts Apple may not include the power adapter, but need not say whether a lightning cable would still be included. KUO is known for its generally accurate predictions for Apple products. Now let's get into the news. Okay, so first, those who planning to buy iPhone 12 when it's expected to launch in the fall may find that box is missing two familiar accessories: its power adapter and Apple earpods. That's according TF International Securities Analyzing Ming Chi Kyo, KUO, who wrote in a news research note that the power adapter and earphones will be not included on the iPhone 12 box. Apple is reportedly nixing these accessories to keep the cost of its next generation, that is called iPhone 12, cost of its next flagship iPhone around the same price of iPhone 11 lineup. The iPhone 12 is expected to be the Apple's first smartphone will enable 5G support, and KUO predicts that slimming down the packaging by omitting the power adapter and headphones. Okay, so you guys understand the KUO, which means the main feature for Apple products. Okay, not some settings also, it's a company for Apple products. Okay, so what they think, why the reason they don't want to put the earpods and charging cable, because they want to reduce the weight of the box. So I know this is what reason. Okay, here you guys can see, I show you here, you can read the article here. Apple is reportedly nixing this accessory to keep the first iPhone 12 is Apple's first smartphone to come with 5G support, and KU predicts the slimming down the packaging by omitting the power adapter and headphones could help offer some additional cost resulting from addition of 5G. Okay, if you guys planning to buy iPhone 12, you can buy, but charger and earphones you need to purchase extra. Okay, so it's cost. The move could also make the iPhones packaging more eco-friendly. It's eco-friendly means I give you guys can read, particularly as sustainability has become a bigger factor in the way the company designs and ship its overseas. Apple will. The bad news from Apple is not bad news or terrible news. For me it's okay lah. For Android users it's a bad news who want to plan to buy iPhone 12. The bad news is Apple iPhone 12 come without a charger and earpods and charger cable. For good news is Apple will reportedly release 20 volts a new 20 volts charger that will be sold as separately as an optional accessory. KUO says, the company of Apple. The charger would be larger than 5 watt and 18 volts power adapters currently used for current generation iPhones. It means iPhone SE, iPhone 12, iPhone SE, iPhone SE2, iPhone 11 Pro Max, like that. The reports do not mention whether KUO expects the lightning cable to be included. Apple did not immediately respond to Business Insider request for comment. It's not the first time reports have suggest the Apple's next iPhone won't come with wired earphone in the box. KUO made a similar prediction back in May. But that report didn't make any mention of Apple products. The report didn't make any mention of Apple eliminating the power adapter too. Okay, now we're going to, this is about the news. Now we're going to see what happened if Apple didn't include the power adapter and the earphones. So let's see. First, if Apple doesn't include the power adapter and the earpods and the lightning cable on the iPhone 12 box, it likely caused some controversy. Apple's decisions to remove the headphone jack on the iPhone 7. The first headphone jack was removed on iPhone 7. My old phone, I use iPhone 7. Apple decision to remove the headphone jack on iPhone 7 was met with pushback, as some tech journalists initially criticized the choice at the time. There are an argument to be made for why Apple shouldn't include a power adapter and wire headphones with the next iPhone. It means iPhone 12. Okay guys, now I give a long article here. You guys can read here. I also read here in my phone. So let's read. So long-time iPhone users likely have several pairs of earpods and iPhone charging brick sitting in the drawer at home. So it makes the sense of Apple wouldn't want to drive up overall price of the new iPhone by including accessories that many people may already own, like me. But doing so would also people likely further fuel criticism that Apple is nickel and diming customers for accessories. Her Reddit thread from 2018, for example, was loaded with customer complaints about Apple's power cables and storage options. Apple is also reportedly planning to kill the charging port entirely by developing a completely wireless iPhone that may launch in 2021. It's a big news. I repeat, Apple is also reportedly planning to kill the charging port entirely by developing a complete wireless iPhone that may launch in 2021. It means next year. KUO reported in a previous note from December. You guys wanna read this article? I give the article here and put the link in the description. Go read. Slimming down the iPhone's packaging by excluding accessories that rely on the lightning port may be an early step in that direction. It's step in direction. You guys understand, right? So Apple will Apple removed the earpods and charging adapter and charging cable, because Apple want to make their iPhones, next generation iPhones, fully of wireless. The phone is gonna be launched on 2021. 2020 we're gonna see the first iPhone, that wireless iPhone, okay, and everything wireless, earpods, charging, everything, it's iPhone jack, no, okay, so all AirPods. So everybody need to change to AirPods, okay, so change to wireless charging and AirPods, okay, it's nice, right? So if you guys got one question, what is KUO? So let's talk about that. Okay, I give an article here, you guys read, I also read. KUO is known for its generally accurate Apple products predictions. For example, in early 2020, he correctly reported that Apple would debut a new iPad Pro this year with a 3D sensor for augmented reality. He was incorrect, however, in saying that a new iPad Pro would come with a triple camera. Okay guys, this is a iPad news. It was incorrect, however, in saying the iPad Pro, iPad Pro would come with a triple camera like 11 Pro Max. And Apple's latest Pro tablet will have 2 cameras and a LiDAR sensor for more precisely tracking users surrounding for use in AR apps. The analyst has also correctly said that Apple would release a MacBook Pro and a MacBook Air with Apple's new keyboard in first half of the year. Other than 5G connectivity, Apple's iPhone 12 is Other than 5G connectivity, Apple's iPhone 12 expected to come with a new design that resembles the iPad Pro Athletic. Okay, so slim and camera, I don't know. Okay, let's show the picture. Camera, I don't know, but we got a news where iPhone 12 will have a 4 camera, 1 camera extra than iPhone 11 Pro Max. A LiDAR sensor like the one found on the iPad Pro, a new smaller size option. Okay, so iPhone 12 will come on 4 size, I think. 5 point something, 5 point, and 6 point something. Okay, so but we hear what the news, we got the iPhone 12, Apple will increase the RAM of the iPhone 12. Okay, we got 4 RAM, we got 4 GB, 5 GB, 6 GB. Okay, so Apple always release until 3-4 GB like that. Also my iPhone SE2 is also 3 GB RAM only, so iPhone 12 will become on 6 GB RAM. Good. So guys, that's all for today. If you guys now clear, right, iPhone 12 is coming without a charger, adapter or earpods. Okay, so news is we don't know, but for the reason I do this video, I got so many comments like this and got so many DMs on Instagram like this. Bro, tell me if I wait for iPhone 12 or should I wait for iPhone 12 or buy iPhone 11 Pro Max. I say you need to wait for iPhone 12 because it's released with a good design and a good RAM, good battery, and Apple gives 20 volts charger, and Apple completely turned into a wireless iPhone. So I guess I tell the guy you need to wait for the iPhone 12. But one is the problem is the guy asked, bro, is that iPhone 12 come without earpods and charging adapter? I say I also don't know, bro. Stay tuned for my YouTube channel. I got a video, so this is a request video by him. So thank you to what's the name? I think the name is Raju Leon. Okay, thank you to Raju Leon. This is a requested video by him, so I do this. Not all for only my friends, for ShaneTechWorld subscribers. Okay, so now you're not all clear about the iPhone 12. If you want a more video about the iPhone 12, how's look, how's like that review, okay, simply we can say if you want an iPhone 12 review video, comment down in the comment box. Okay, so I will do it for you guys. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Shane Chugin here, signing off from ShaneTechWorld. Let's learn the technology and explore it. Bye. Peace.